Hello traders, today I'm going to cover 4 rules for trading success if you're trading crypto, stocks, futures, Forex, currencies, any type of asset that you're trading. These are the 4 rules you should be focusing on. The roadmap software is what I'm using on TradingView charts. The roadmap software is also available with and for NinjaTrader. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So let's start here with number 1, price action trading. Price action trading, what is it? What does it mean? Well, price action is the movement of a security's price plotted over time. Price action forms the basis for all technical analysis of stocks, commodities, or other assets. So we're looking at the price over time, how it moves up or down. That's the basis of price action. So with the roadmap, I'm looking at these zones. The roadmap software plots these zones, zone A, zone B, up, down, and we have an idea of where and how we should be trading. Once the market lands in the zone, price action is indicating there's support, there's resistance, there's something that we should be aware of. So the price plotted over time is telling us that this is not continuing higher or continuing lower. And that's what the roadmap software is doing at the moment. Now, number 2, we're going to take a look at filtering. Filtering trades is really important. A lot of traders fail to filter out their trades, and I'm going to explain to you why this is important. Why should we filter out trades? With any trading strategy, knowing when not to enter the market is just as important as knowing when to do so. So some traders may be aggressive or conservative, and this can have detrimental effect on their success. So when I look at filtering trades, I look at, for example, the roadmap software, which tells me in these zones where I should not be going long and whether I should in fact be selling the market. So the zones on the roadmap are actually filters. They tell me if it lands in the zone, should I or should I not do the next and take the next step. Filtering trades also allows us to have this idea of bringing more than one methodology together. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 methods and they are all telling you the same thing, to buy or to sell, fantastic. That's what I want to see. We have the trade scalper, the roadmap, the at the open, the atlas line, all indicating one direction, take that trade. But if you have one methodology saying long, one methodology saying short, another methodology doesn't know what to do, that's when you stay on the sidelines and you say, I'm not going to do anything, I'm going to wait until it becomes very clear. So in this example, the roadmap in the zone is indicating not to go long as it lands in the zone. That shaded area that you're seeing is actually a filter. It's saying when the market lands in that zone not to go long until it goes through it, till it goes through that shaded area, then we can go long. But instead, we actually have a signal to go short because it reversed off of the zone. And that's what we want to see. We want to make sure as a filter that any other method that we have is not saying buy it. Because if it buys it in the zone, we may have a reversal, which in fact happened. Instead, the software gave you a signal that says go short, and as soon as it begins to break below the outside of the zone, back below, that's a great opportunity now to see it, to realize it, and to say it's going short, it landed in the zone, and I can follow up on it. Number 3, using exact entries to enter into the market. So regardless if you're going long or if you're going short, always have an exact and specific price that you want to enter. This example here, same day as the market comes down to the roadmap zone where it says zone A down, that is a filter, right? We talked about that. Next, I'm looking to enter into the market either long or short depending on what happens next. So I want to use a very specific entry price. The roadmap will give you a price based on what happens next. If it lands in the zone and it starts to reverse off the zone, usually we wait until 2 candles, again using price action, to go long. So you can see there's a very specific price now to go long. 53.21, 53.21 quarter. These are very specific prices to enter long into the market. We're not just clicking buy at market. We usually wait until the candle closes, because when the candle closes, it solidifies that the price action is accurate. And now I'm going long with a purpose. Landed in the zone. There's a filter. There's nothing left for me to do but have a target and a stop. So very specifically, have an entry price that makes sense. Don't just jump into the market because it looks good or feels good or it seems like. Use specific pricing. The next example I'm going to show you is totally different. The software is going to do something completely different than what you've just seen, and it's going to be actually surprising on how it reacts. Before we get into rule number 4, if you like these videos, subscribe to the Daytradetowin YouTube channel. We've grown immensely over the years. We want to bring more information to traders on how to trade successfully using price action and other unique methods that others are not sharing with you. So subscribe to the Daytradetowin YouTube channel and get a free member account at Daytradetowin.com. We do have some free software for TradingView as well as for Ninja Trader available for free members on Daytradetowin.com. So far, what we've seen is the market landing in the zones and reversing off of these zones and using it as a filter. Number 4 is going to be being patient and waiting for the opportunity. That is rule number 4. As you can see now, I'm waiting for something to happen. I have to be patient. I don't know specifically if the market's going to reverse off the zone, but what I do know is that I should not be going short or be going long. So patience is super important. Now, if the market breaks through the zone and goes lower, you see a line there, a purple line there, which is indicating an opportunity to sell it. I have to be patient because I don't know if it's going to happen. So as the market is flip-flopping around, it's going up, it's going down, it's stuck in the zone, patience is very important because either I go short if it breaks lower or I go long if it reverses and continues higher back above the zone, right? Now the market went short. You see roadmap short, 53.9, 53.10. These are specific pricings. Another rule, I want to enter short based on that specific opportunity. That purple line is an exact entry price. There's another short here that is happening as well. And now the market is continuing lower as I entered short because it broke not just the first zone A, it also broke the second zone B, and now it's on its way to zone C. So everything I have is in place. I was patient. I just didn't throw myself into the market, and it'll continue to give me signals as I move throughout the day. If you have any questions on the roadmap for TradingView or for Ninja Trader, or if you want to join the accelerated mentorship class, visit Daytradetowin.com. We include all the software, including the roadmap, the autopilot, the trade scalper, everything in one package with accelerated mentorship plus. Until next time, good trading.